Hello student, I'm back again. So what I've thought is for 2 weeks we'll be doing the writing work. So first we'll do with letter. You all know how to write letter, so I'll not be teaching you how to write letter, but I'll be doing certain rules and regulations, the formats of letter writing.
Going to the main parts or formats of the letter. So let me tell you the short objectives, okay, as well as we'll do the recapitulation of letter writing. Through these online studies, you will be able to write letter correctly, but there are certain criteria. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to take notes on the important parts of letter writing, as well as I'll be sending you the PowerPoint presentation on different types of letter, where you have to copy that letter in your test exercise copies, and you have to go through that letter. So let us go through the short recapitulation. I have come out with 4 different types of letter. Those are personal letter. You write a letter to your friends or relative. There are business letter. You write to the business houses for placing as well as receiving orders, and complaints letter also. There are officials where you write to different government or public offices, and you have invitation. Invitation can be both formal and informal letter. First part of the business or your formal letter is the heading. In heading, the first step is always you have to write your address or write your address without a name in the left hand corner. Okay, left hand corner of the letter on the top. So second step is you have to write the date of the day you are writing just below the address. Okay, you can see here I have written the date, and you have to always remember you have to leave one line or you have to miss a line while writing the date. The third step is you have to write the address to the person whom you are writing. In business letter, this is called inside address. So here also I have written a random address. So this is the sender address, this is the date, and this is the address to whom you are sending the letter. Another step is subject is a very important component of the letter. It tells about the purpose or why you are writing this letter. So the subject should be in precise form. So after salutation comes the main part of the letter, that is body of the letter, where you will explain why you are writing letter. So I have prepared some important points here so that you remember while writing official letter. So number one is it should be very brief and to the point, and it should also give all necessary information. Okay, so beside that you should not put any other things. So if your letter is long, the body of the letter can be divided into 2 or more paragraphs. Okay, and the style should be very formal, correct, and courteous. Okay, so if anything you want to enclose with the letter like biodata, check, postal address, the same must be mentioned in the body of the letter. So after body of the letter there is another step, that is the conclusion. Okay, so this is the last paragraph where you round your letter by saying thanking you. Alright, so this is the last step of your letter. So at the last you write your faithfully or your sincerely, and at the end you put your signature. Okay, so below here I have given you the example, so you write your name here. Okay, this is the different steps of writing a business or official letter. So I have prepared a sample for you all, so that you will know whatever we have studied till now. So this is the letter I have written. So this is just a sample. Kindly don't take this as a final letter. This is just a sample for you. All right. So this is a heading, is the address of the writer. So after heading it comes your date, and this is a inside address, the address of the person whom you are sending your letter. So after that we have subject, where you have to talk the purpose for your talk about the purpose of your letter. So this is a salutation. I have written dear sir. So this is called the body of the letter. This everything is body of the letter, and this is closing with your faithfully and the name. At last you have to write your name, and you can also put your signature. All right. So dear student, I have tried my best to make you understand the different steps or different formats of letter writing. This is not a final steps or final concrete formats that everybody follows. There are different kind of format, but what I've taught you is the format that we use in CBSE. So after this video, I'll be sending you the PDF file of different letters. All right, so what you will do is you will copy that letters in your textbook, and you can send me that your written letters in my personal WhatsApp number. Kindly don't send it in the group so till then, kindly maintain social distance, stay at home, sanitize yourself, and read a book. Thank you.